Hello everybody, Robert Batlle here. Welcome to my channel. This time I'm going to talk about sway bars or anti-roll bars. I would say sway bars. As you can see, this is my MBX8 e-buggy. The sway bars topic, it was same for nitro or e-buggy, so I'm gonna explain to you with the e-buggy. I will try to explain my feeling with the roll bars, and I will also show you how I fix the roll bar, so I always have the same measure, the same play on the roll bar. So when I go up, it makes a good feeling, or when I go down, it has the good feeling from the play of the sway bar. So the front sway bar is the sway bar I change more. I go from 2.1 to 2.7 sometimes if it's super grippy. But the basic, it's when you have a low grip track, you go thinner sway bar. When you go grippy track, you go harder sway bar. But sometimes we're going too thin sway bar. We think when you go too thin, it will always give you steering, but it's not like this. It means when you go too thin roll bar, the beginning you will have steering, but suddenly it will roll a lot. So when the car is like this, you will lose steering. So it means you are on a 2.3 roll bar, for example, you go to 2.1. It doesn't mean you will have more steering for sure, because if it's too thin, you will have steering at the beginning a little bit, but then it will roll so much and you will lose steering. It will push front. So it means it's too soft and you will have to go a little bit up. And also it happened on the grippy track. So when you go up on the grippy track, the car, maybe sometimes it will be a little bit tricky at the beginning, but inside the corner you will have more steering than if you go on a thinner roll bar, because as I told you, on a thinner roll bar like 2.3, for example, on a super high grip track, it will roll a lot and you will lose steering. So when you go 2.6, for example, it will roll less and you will have steering and traction. So you have to take care on this topic for the sway bars. And rear is the part of the car I change less the sway bars. I go from 2.6 to 2.8 maximum, not really changing so much. But when it's low grip track, for example, you go 2.6 or 2.5, on 180s you will have a good grip, but on sweepers or fast corners, when you push so much on the rear, maybe it will roll a little bit too much, and if it rolls, it will start to rotate and lose traction, so it will make tailing on the rear. So you will have to go up on the rear roll bar. When you go up on the rear roll bar, you will have a little bit more rotation on 180s, but on sweepers and fast corners, on power, like when you push a lot, you will have a little bit less rolling and you'll have more forward traction and more grip on the rear. So you have to take care, not always going down on thinner roll bar, it will mean more grip or more traction. On rear roll bars also, when you go harder on a grippy track, it will have more grip, but if you go too hard roll bar, it will not rotate, it will not roll, and it will make, for example, you steer to the right side, and with the hard roll bar, the inside rear tire will go up, and then you will flip so easy. When it happens, you can go thinner roll bar, 1 point thinner roll bar, and you will see that instead of this tire going up, it will roll more, and it will help you to rotate and not to flip. So take care here. Not always when you flip, it means the front roll bar is too thin. Sometimes it means the rear roll bar is too hard. So take care on this. If you go super hard on rear, sometimes it can make also to flip easy if you have good grip on tires. So take care on this, and now I'm going to show you how I put this setup on the roll bars to have a good movement and not to have too much play. So here goes the video. So here we have the car, the roll bar. I took out that both rod ends, so it's completely free right now. What I do is just I take the roll bar here and I leave just to go down to see if it's free or not. And then I just tight this screw until it doesn't go down. As you can see, still goes down. Now it just stuck on upper position. It has to be always stick on the upper position, so it doesn't go down even 1 millimeter. So then I take again the screw, I check here, and I take out like 50 minutes, 1/4. And this is what I do with the roll bar. And then same on the other side. As you can see, it goes down, it goes down, it goes down, still goes down. Now you see it goes down a little bit, but still you have to tight. Now it's completely up. Then you take again the screw, you go 1/4 out, and you have already free roll bar and it works good. Now time to put the links and shocks, everything, and it will be okay. Remember to make without shocks, just with the free roll bars and no shocks, and always without the tires touching the ground. So this is all for the roll bars. I hope you understood better than before. I did my best with my English, sorry about it, but this is all I have. And so as you know, you can comment any question you have, or you can send me any question on my social media or Mugen social media, and I will answer you anytime. So this is all. I hope you like it. Share it if you like it, and if you didn't like it, share it same, and it will help us, and it will help, I think, all RC world, and more driver and more people will share their knowledge to everybody, and we'll grow together. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.